Now, you know, I mean, when I said, you a cameraman, you got to edit yourself.
Yeah. So, man, tell me where we at today, man.
Oh, you're in P. Ryan, Florida, Miami. That's Soudamar Paint and Body Shop.
All right, y'all see the sign up there.
The sign right there.
I'm here personally. This ain't no magic videos, nothing. You see the background. This ain't no Photoshop. This here. So, my man.
Almost 30 years here.
30 years now. So, what kind of cars you guys do over here?
Well, you know, we specialize in the donks.
In the dogs? Oh, so would y'all say y'all here in Florida originated that style?
I can say so.
You can say so?
Almost 30 years.
30 years, okay. I was asking man yesterday, the donk is considered from what years to what considered a donk?
Anywhere from 71 to 76.
Okay, and what would you consider, some people will say glass house, some people say other names. What is a glass house? Define a glass house.
Well, it's just wet, you know.
It's just wet?
Wet.
Okay, we
like
throwing the paint then when you say glass house. Because yesterday your man said, hey, a glass house is robbed when you can sweep your window, hand through the thing, and you don't hit no braces.
Let's go ask him about it. Let's
go ask him. Y'all I'm letting y'all see what I see, man. We say he wet. Look at this. You know, he wet. See, we in here. How y'all doing today, my brothers? They're putting that Polaris back together from yesterday. Oh, yeah.
Hey, tell about that glass wet house about the house. You said wet. That's what told you that.
Yeah, that's man said the wet was that right there, man. How y'all do? I told y'all I was coming back today. He gave me the dough. He said, come on, Rob, you come on back. And the oh, okay. All right. So when y'all do a car, y'all take it from the bottom to the top?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Full service shop, whatnot. Do you guys specialize in paint only, or are y'all doing
we do collision work?
Collision work? Okay. So let me ask you this. I'm seeing different styles that come from the south and has went to the west with it. In your personal preference, do you prefer the car to be up or down?
You know, down here they want it up. But at the time, maybe 15 years ago, we had it down. You know, just low riders. That was a big
low riders.
It's a big following down with the low riders. They still exist now. Big following. Okay. Then all of a sudden now it got to be bigger.
Got to be bigger.
It has to be bigger. You know, you start out with 14-inch rims, and you want to go up. Now they want to go what 34s.
Yeah, 34.
You know, so that's, to my opinion, both of them have the advantage and disadvantage.
Okay. Because I've noticed in the videos a lot of people bringing them down, but they're keeping the big rim. The rim is getting bigger, and they're dropping it down.
They called squat.
They're squatting it. Okay, to squat it, it looks like there's some modifications of narrow rear end, mini tub in the car.
Well, I have someone to talk to you about the tubbing.
Oh, okay.
I have a guy who can do that.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna bang the tubbing guy over.
Okay.
Well, I'll be 1 second.
Okay, for sure. All right. See? So we seeing stuff coming from the bottom to the top. Rob, keep on. Bottom to the top here, like it's still pictures, Rob, and he's saying they're bringing them back. You know, we down here in the wet state, and so, you know, we, look, roof jobs, bringing them up, you know. They got them out here from the box to the bubbles, you know. A little bit of this, a little bit of that, reworking the quarter panels and stuff. Yeah. We're going to ask them about that Go Fast in a minute. Okay, we got the aqua blue going on over here. Back-to-back same color moves. Okay. They got a little bit of everything over here at Soudamar. Let's see. Pause that. No further ado, who am I speaking with here, man?
What's up, man?
How you doing, man? My man was saying, I was asking about the people when they bring the cars down and they want to get that deep lip on there. Do they got to tub them to get that look?
Yeah,
narrow and rear ends and whatnot?
You got to tell them to get that look there, man.
Okay, so yeah, with that, so mini tubbing consists of what are you doing? So people who don't know. I've seen a few things, I know a few things, but for people who may not know what that inquires, what does it entail to get that?
Tell me you can check it out on our Instagram, squatgangmiami.com. Oh, Squat Gang Miami on Instagram.
Y'all hear him right there. If you want to say it one more time, people who ain't hearing
Squat Gang Miami.
Okay.
SQUAT Miami, MIA. Check
So,
you out. I'm going to show you some pictures of
okay, y'all hear him. He bringing it up on his phone so we can see it. And if y'all heard him, get at him on the Instagram.
This right here is one of our pull tubs. We did this car right here. You see it right there. Let me click on it. There, you see the full tub there?
Oh.
We have to modify the rack and everything for the convertible rack. But then it's just like that. You see it swallows.
Yeah, it's swallowing the whole rim up.
Yeah.
With a lip. What size rim is that?
30 inch.
30 inch.
Yeah.
No cut, no scrape. No, we got the cut, for example. No scraping, no nothing.
No nothing.
So on your front rim, you running a staggered look. I see that down here.
Yeah.
So your front rim is also a 30, but what 30 by what?
We got 30. This is 7-inch lip in the back we're running there. Let me show you another video here. Where's it on our Instagram there? We can make a full U-turn on the tubs. What we do there. There's two types of tubs here. This is another car here with 30s. This is mini tub. This one's not as low, but it's low. You see how it's squatted?
Yeah.
This is squatted there, and then we got this one here. Does a full you can do a full U-turn with 30s.
Oh, with 30s, full U-turn. So that gives you that squat in the back and you tilt it in the front.
Yeah, look, it turns all the way.
Oh, we'll turn.
We notched the frame and everything.
Oh, you notched the frame and re-sculpted the
the frame. We use the same lips and everything, so it has this factory lips. We don't cut. We cut the lips to extend them out there. So.
Okay. All right, for sure. So let me ask you this. So a person trying to get to that level, if you want to get that number out, my question is, how much is it taking to modify your car to get that 30 on there?
Depends on what you want. There's a lot of different steps.
A lot of different steps to get to there.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a lot of steps.
Oh, let me ask you this then. Since you the modifying man here, in your personal opinion, do you prefer the cars up or down?
I like it down.
You like it down?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think the down squat, and it looks a little meaner when you got that lip. You looking at it, you going like, oh, wait, how'd you get that up in there?
Yeah.
Up in the air, you in 4x4 territory, and if you take the rims off the car, it's gonna look out of place.
Exactly.
You know, that's like when people do the two-tones on a Chrysler 300. I don't know if y'all did down here. People throwing a black two-tone on a silver car. Then all of a sudden that 24-inch rim get dented. You see who got money at that point. When you go all stock with a custom paint job, you're like, oh, that nigga ran out of money.
It's true, man. That's how tubs are too. Some people want to do it because it costs a lot to do that. To make that U-turn costs a lot there too. Some of these don't turn. They lock right there and that's it. They don't turn that.
They doing 3-point turns trying to get to you.
They can't turn it there. That's the difference.
Okay, I got a question there. Since y'all down here where it's originating from, first people were going fast. I remember Big Murph when he had the dual carburetors out the hood and stuff. Then it went to the fuel injection game. Now it's on the supercharged game. LS, you know, so the big block is over with.
Some people like the big block, they're still there, out there, but a lot of people are going with the LS now. That's
okay, because I've been watching the videos and I'm watching Dunk Master, you know, is anybody else coming with that 6-speed?
Oh yeah, there's people out here.
The people have been watching the videos say, I need to get that in my life?
Yeah, there's some cars out here coming for them. There's some cars being built there.
Okay, because I've been watching his videos, you know, I see the Plain Jane knocked him off, you know, and he ran up against other cars that wasn't in his category. From what I'm seeing, Robert, get this. From what I'm seeing, that he says he only racing if you got rims and you 26 or better.
Yeah.
And I've noticed he wins out the hole because it's a clutch thing. You drag it, you don't break free. If you on 28s or better on rims and you just nail out the hole, you spin it. You spin, you lose, it's over. And he gone.
Yeah.
You know, he doing.
Also the torque there. If they got too much torque there, that's when they're gonna spin those wheels there. That's a lot. That plays a lot in there, that role there too.
Okay, because I remember from back when Big Murph was on, and he came out there on the East Coast Rider videos. He took the big rim off the back, he put the slick on there. Yeah. He was grab and go.
Yeah,
you know.
Yeah, but they want to do it on the street. They want to make a street race. If you have wheels and stuff there off the street, there, it's not a drag car they're doing. They're building a show car too. Yeah. That can run.
So they trying to live on both worlds.
Yeah, they're trying to live on both worlds there.
Okay. So it's a thin line then of balancing the act to make it happen.
Exactly.
Okay, so you predict he will fall eventually.
No, he has the throne right now. I don't know. Oh, this new race that's going to come with Blue Magic to see there.
Yeah, I see they going in Atlanta. Yeah. I'm going on a plane back to Cali on the same day. If not, we drive up to Atlanta if I was going to be here till Monday just to see what's going on at the show.
That's going to be a good race here.
Y'all hear it. Dunk Master and Blue Magic in Atlanta this Sunday. I'm in Florida. I ain't going to be able to see it, but y'all watch it on the internet. Y'all going to see what happens with that. So, but yeah, man, thanks for your time, bro.
No
appreciate it, man.
No problem.
And shoot that number out again, people who want to get like you get.
All right, 786-299. 3132. Again, it's 786-299-3132. If you want to get your spot, follow us there.
For sure, you know, it's the man to talk to right here. Big Money Rob, Money Scarsdale, and Little Rob. We filming it. Let them see people see what I see. Once again, thank you, my man.
Man,
Appreciate
no
you for your
problem,
time.
thank you, bro.
All right, for sure. All right.
Without the process.